Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Montego Bay, Jamaica. We are going to take a tour of the Bogue city center. This is a small plaza off Bogue Road, about 5 minutes from the airport or 1 minute from the Fairview shopping center. So this is the Bogue city center. It's been around for a couple of years. Was opened probably 10 or 15 years ago. It's mostly a commercial building or facility, mostly offices. It's not like Fairview where you have retail stores or supermarkets or even food stores. This one is more of an office complex. There you can see that's a medical office there. King Alarm has an office here. FLA, which is a firearm licensing authority. But this plaza is booked out. You're not going to find any empty office space here unless somebody moves out. It's fully occupied, I should say. Now, this plaza is ideally located because of the construction going on in Montego Bay. The Highway 2000 is going to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. And when it comes into Montego Bay, it's going to come in via the Bogue Road or the perimeter road that they're building. And the Bogue Road is going to be, that's the road straight ahead. The highway is going to come into Montego Bay and you're going to have to pass here to get into the city of Montego Bay. So this location is going to be prime real estate. The highway is going to come through Anchovy, come down Long Hill, and then come on to the Bogue Road. That's where you would enter Montego Bay from the highway. So all of this property that you see around here is going to be in high demand because of the highway. So there you can see some car dealerships, Volkswagen, Porsche, ATL. And this is a very nice plaza. You can see it's well maintained. I mean, compared to Fairview, this is much smaller, but it's 1 minute away from Fairview, so it's a very nice plaza. I shouldn't say plaza, more of a very nice office complex. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.